Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in my previous video we have seen JSON.parse. What exactly is parsing of an object, how it is used, where we can use it in our object. So today we'll be using JSON.Stringify, a different method in JSON. But before that, I would really thank Zaid Gaming. Thank you Zaid Gaming for the generosity. Let's move on to the video now. JSON.Stringify is exactly kind of opposite in that object will be converted to a string. Here string is converted to a readable object in JSON.parse. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So now guys, I have created a simple file JSON What I'll do, I'll take the same example, I'll put it here. So instead of string, I'll remove this. So it becomes a proper object now. So if I write console.log here obj.employee.Serial number, I should be able to get 65. So I'll write node JSON Stringify.js. So I should be able to get 65. Now, how do I convert this into a string? So what I have to do for that? I'll comment this. Let obj convert to string object. So I'll write JSON dot stringify not parse dot stringify of obj, not capital obj, the small obj. Now here I just have to paste, I just have to type how exactly it is. I can write console.log of typeof space obj convert to string. So let me execute this now. So it's a string. So if you want to see, okay, if you want to see console.log how it looks like, it will definitely look like object only obj convert to string. See, it is a string and it looks like the same thing. It looks like an object, but we cannot write like this. See, if I write dot, let's say I write employee dot serial number. If I write like this, I'll get an error. See, I got an error. It doesn't work because we have already converted into a string. Now, let us see. Let us execute this. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.